So, hello, there are many living organisms around us. Some organisms can be seen by the naked eye, while the others can be only seen by a microscope. Some of the microscopic organisms can be useful and helpful in different ways, but others can be dangerous and can lead you to death. So, in this video, we are going to see about the virus called corona and the preventions to be taken during this virus attack. So, don't skip this video and watch till the end. So, let's get started.
Many of us may think or ask, what is coronavirus? It is very simple. Coronavirus is a virus coming from the subfamily of Orthocoronarinae in the family Coronarinae, order Nidarides and Realmeriboria. They are enveloped viruses with a positive sense, single-stranded RNA genome and a nucleocapsid of helical symmetry. The genome size of coronavirus ranges from approximately 27 to 34 kilobases, the largest among RNA viruses. The name coronavirus is derived from the Latin word corona, meaning brown or halo, which refers to the characteristic appearance reminiscent of a crown or a solar corona around the virions, which is the scientific word of virus particles. When viewed under two-dimensional transmission electron microscopy due to surface covering in club-shaped protein pi.
Coronaviruses were first discovered in the late 1960s. The earliest ones discovered were an infectious bronchitis virus in chickens and two in human patients with the common cold. It was named human coronavirus 229E and human coronaviruses OC43. Other members of this family have since been identified, including SARS coronavirus in 2003, H-CoV coronavirus NL63 in 2004, HKU1 in 2005, MERS coronavirus in 2012, and SARS coronavirus 2, formerly known as new coronavirus 19 in 2019. Most of these have involved in serious tract infections.
Coronaviruses are a group of red-eyed viruses that cause diseases in mammals and birds. In humans, coronaviruses cause respiratory tract diseases or infections that can be mild like the common cold and others that can be lethal like SARS, MERS and COVID-19. Symptoms in other species vary. In chicken, it causes upper respiratory tract diseases, and in cows and pigs, they cause diarrhea. In children, it is very less because they have good immunity system. Yet they have to be careful as they cannot predict anything.
Apart from respiratory tract infections, there are many other symptoms. People having coronavirus may experience runny nose, sore throat, cough, fever, and difficulty in breathing. Illness can be more severe for some people and can lead to pneumonia or breathing difficulties. More rarely, the disease can be fatal. Older people and people with other medical conditions such as asthma, diabetes, or heart disease may be more vulnerable to becoming severely ill.
You may get coronavirus, but be positive. You can also prevent the disease before it attacks you. And when it attacks your body, it will overcome the disease and prevent it to go inside your body. You can also prevent by washing your hands frequently and avoiding touching your face. You can also reduce your risk of infection if you clean your hands frequently using alcohol-based sanitizer, soap, or water. You should also cover your nose or mouth when coughing and sneezing with tissues or flaxed elbow. Avoid contact. Keep 1 meter or 3 feet distance from anyone who has cold or flu-like symptoms.
There is no specific medicine to prevent or treat coronavirus disease. People may need support to help them breathe. If you have mild symptoms, stay at home till you have recovered. You can relieve your symptoms if you rest and sleep, keep warm, drink plenty of liquids, use a room humidifier, or take a hot shower to help ease a sore throat and cough. If you develop a fever, cough, and having difficulty breathing, promptly seek medical care. Call in advance and tell your health provider of any recent travel or recent contact with travelers.
So many people may be planning for trips to be arranged during holidays. For those people, we tell you do not travel to any country until coronavirus is dead all over the world. And people living in coronavirus affected countries, please make sure that you are in a safe condition and check up yourself by a medical facilitator.
So before this video ends, we are going to review a book. The book's name is How to Excel in Studies and Score High Marks. The author of this book, Dr. Reddy, has given 100 scientific study techniques to score high marks. This book is mainly made for students. This book is also tested by many teachers, vice chancellors, principals, and state academic heads. This book is also useful for teachers and parents for guiding these students well. This book is also available in many languages like Hindi, Oriya, Maratha, Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam and other languages, and also including English. So please buy this book for children like us for a better future. The book's link will be on the description.
Please like this video, it was useful to you. Share it to as many people as possible because it can save thousands of lives. Please leave your comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fact Media. Also stay tuned to FM for more such videos. For latest information on COVID-19, visit the WHO website. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's